In the busy market square of Athens, young Theo, a 14-year-old boy with curly brown hair and tan skin, was helping his father sell olives. Theo wore a simple white tunic with a leather belt and dusty sandals. That afternoon, Theo noticed something on the ground, a small leather pouch. He picked it up. Inside, he saw shiny silver coins, a lot of them. Theo could have kept it. No one saw him. But instead, he walked to the center of the market and called out, "Has anyone lost a pouch?" The woman was grateful. "That pouch had my rent money," she said. She offered Theo a coin as thanks. Theo smiled and said, "I didn't return it for a reward." As Theo returned to his stall, a customer said, "I'll only buy from honest hands like yours." Theo didn't just return a pouch, he gained trust. Honesty doesn't just return what's lost, it brings respect and peace.